This
Still not
conference
visible?
will now
Audible,
be
not
recorded.
Gautam
No,
is
your
visible.
video is not on. No, your video is not on.
Give me a second.
Yes.
Neil, चिराग मुके करे दे रही. Gesture not very well.
तेजल आंटी का आ रहा है.
Charvik, now I'm visible.
Yes.
Yeah, can I?
Yeah, please continue.
Can I? Okay. The learner speaker of the evening, Meenal Ben, my fellow members, the core group, and the audience at large. Good evening and a warm welcome to all of you on this very warm evening. We have been organizing, as rightly mentioned by Charvik, we have been organizing these webinars in view of the lockdown period bloomed over Mumbai and all over India. It is with a view to impart and share knowledge that we have been organizing these webinars. This is the 9th one in the series, and we have had earlier 8 with all renowned speaker, and today also we have got a very renowned speaker in Mrs. Meenal Ben. Everybody likes to make sure that the life we have led has been meaningful and is concerned about the property after one's death. And a person is to ensure how the estate should devolve after his death through a will. If he dies intestate without making a will, law will take its own course of action, and thereby it may not concur with the wishes of the testator. In this background, me and my committee thought it good to enlighten the community regarding wills, nomination, estate planning, and nomination. And we could not have had a better speaker than our own Meenal Ben. She is, with her experience, she will lead us through the intricate issues which arises in course of wills, nomination, and estate planning. Without taking much of your time, I would like to request my Vice President Gautam Shah to please introduce the learned speaker for the evening. Thank you and welcome once again. Over to Gautam.
Thank you, President Sir Ghanshyam Bhai. So today's speaker Meenal Ben Khona, my President Ghanshyam Bhai Lalka, my fellow committee members, all the seniors in the professions and my colleague, very good evening to all of you. So when I got the profile of Meenal Ben, the first word which came on mind was impressive. So Meenal Ben, really very impressive credentials. I will just briefly touch upon few of the aspects. So if I start,
Gautam bhai, we cannot hear you. Your mic is off.
We can't hear you, Gautam bhai.
sorry, it was muted. Yeah, so just to give a brief credentials. So she mentions her success is on account of hard work, self-belief, self-confidence, sincerity, and honesty. She would like to serve society at large and integral part of the growth of society. So those are the values which Meenal Ben is having. She is a senior advocate of High Court thing and appointed as a notary by Government of India. I will touch upon few of the special achievements. She is on the panel advocate of a few of the large banks. She is in practice for now more than 27 years, doing practice relating to property, conveyancing, stamp duty, matters relating to succession planning, wills, and all other critical matters. In a clientele, all key clientele, the large builders, businessmen, financial institutions like HDFC, and many other renowned clientele she serves. A lot of achievement. She has published 10 editions of the Stamp Duty Ready Reckoner for Navi Mumbai and Panvel. She's conducted various seminars and sessions pan India for wills, nomination, succession, and estate planning. a lot of achievement. The recent one I would just highlight. In Economic Times, she was felicitated as icon of Navi Mumbai. Indian Merchant Chamber Navi Mumbai felicited her as Women Achievers of Navi Mumbai. She was awarded as Nari Ratna by Kutch Sakti National Awards. And there are a lot of such achievements which she is having. With this brief introduction, thank you very much, Meenal Ben, for accepting our invitation. And now I would request Meenal Ben to take it forward. Meenal Ben, you have to unmute.
Yeah. Jai Jalindra to all. Good evening. Today, you all are participating this webinar to enhance your knowledge in the subject, very important subject like succession planning, wills and nominations. It will be my endeavor to enrich your knowledge in the subject before all you learned CAs and community members. It is especially requested me to talk in brief in Kutchi as possible. So I'll try to balance both. First thing, see, my practice is of, as mentioned, is of property convincing. तो मुझे practice बहुत experience थे आई कि आप मैडम मेहनत करी ने स्टेट बनाई होता, but when कोई जी के सडन डेथ थी तो मुझे फैमिली मेंबर्स की कितनी तकलीफ थी वो प्रॉपर्टी पंजे नाले करेला ने उन्हें मटे मेरे इंफॉर्मेशंस नथी होय गैदर कि कोरो वेल्थ है कोरोना तो आई this is my passion to deliver this seminar so that more and more people get benefit of this. आई मडे भावर बहु मेहनत करो था आंजी वेल्थ क्रिएट करो था आई जरूर इच्छिंदा हुंदा कि आंजी मृत्यु पोए आंजे फैमिली मेंबर के कोई भी तकलीफ न थी पण हेल्ला करे हैव यू मेड योर सक्सेशन प्लानिंग आईएनजी विल बनाया आया करो आईएनजी विल बनाया आया करो तो मुझे ही चाहनो है कि आई जरूर आंजो स्टेट प्लानिंग करो सक्सेशन प्लानिंग करो एंड सो दैट आंजे फैमिली मेंबर्स के कोई भी तकलीफ न थी मेनी टाइम्स आ मेती मडे जना इस सब्जेक्ट मडी के खबर है मडे विचार कहिए यू जस्ट थिंक के ना पाकी केड़ू खपे पा कईबो बट पांचे बिजी शेड्यूल में थी पा ई करेला बोली वेनो तो अथवा रही वेने तो और आई विल से मेडी के यहाँ लगे विल करी जी तो लास्ट ब्रीथ ते करी जी जाने पर डेथ बेड ते होता है तो दिस मिथ इज वेरी रॉन्ग आउ चाहती अजो अचपा जो को लॉकडाउन में आई होने पा वटे घणे समय आए तो इन जो बेस्ट यूज करेला you should make your succession planning you should prepare your will so that this will be most utilized time for your family and for your wealth इनमें जो को फेमस कोट है एक लो where there is a will there is a way I will say where there is a will there is way to draft it so मुझे सेशन 3 पार्ट में है सक्सेशन प्लानिंग नॉमिनेशंस एंड विल्स आउ वधारे इनके एम्फेसिस कइंदिया विल्स ते ताकि वो पांके जरूर थी वधारे यूजफुल थिंदी अने पर कंटिन्यू कयो त आई होप के मुझे इन सेशन थी आ जो नॉलेज वधिंदो ने आई इनके जरूर अमल में आनिंदा अने आजे फैमिली ला करे और आजे वेल बीइंग ला करे फैमिली ला और योर लव्ड वन ला you will make the succession planning. Now let's start with the presentation. Question is, what is happy family? So in ero asudi ever lockdown jo period chodo to ipanji happy family hai kids hai pa wate gold hai bullion hai pa foreign travels kahi hota pa luxury cars hai lavish homes hai बिजनेस में सक्सेस आए स्टॉक मार्केट में प्रॉफिट थी तो बिजनेस एम्पायर पांजा ग्रोथ थई रही आई बट लाइफ इज अनसर्टन अनसर्टनिटी जस्ट अहेड मुझे सेमिनार जो ही टैगलाइन है Life is uncertain, but death is certain. And he uncertainty however corona mein ya COVID-19 je lockdown period mein we all have witnessed the biggest uncertainty of our life this period in this period. Accidents thiye, sudden cardiac arrest ache, COVID-19 jera uncertainty ache, and what happened? Result kor thiye, I am dead. Hete anjo problem chalu thiye to. Anjo when earning member of the family disease thiye to bo issues acheta. Who will be the next earning member in the family? Who will own the estate, properties, business? Some cases, बड़ी कई पंजा इंडिया जा cases खबर है, मफतलाल ग्रुप आए, रेमंड्स ग्रुप आए, अंबानी जही, ये बड़े litigations ओछा थी सक्या हुआ अगर इन्हीं जो estate बराबर plan किया हुआ, अगर इन्हीं में will बराबर होता. Litigation, world's maximum litigation is in distribution of property. So before it's too late, for your family, your business, plan succession, wills and nomination. Succession, wills and nominations ला करे, अंके पहला इनजो benefit जानना है कि what are the benefits of estate planning. You work throughout your life building assets, and you are probably do this ensure financial safety and security for your loved ones. But what happened to these assets on your sudden demise? I kade vichare aya ki sudden demise thi anjo tanji etlo joko dodi ne wealth create kiya aya enjo kor thindu. That's where estate planning comes into picture. Estate planning is not only for the rich and old, it is not an exercise to be looked after post-retirement. Estate planning simply refers to passing down your assets from one generation to another. Let's dig it in deeper. Panji vadhu mahiti genota. And benefit kore. What are the benefits of estate planning? It prevents financial and legal grief to your loved one. Anki agar anji jar bhi demise thi vene to anje loved anja जो को family members ही अथवा जिनके साथे relation सारा ही जिनके प्यार करो था उन्हीं मड़ी के financial तकलीफ न थी है उन्हीं के legal grief न थी है उन्हीं के की मंजवण न थी है इतने ला करे estate planning बहुत जरूरी है. It avoids complications, disagreement, bitterness and grief in the family. अंजो estate planning बराबर बनेलो हुंदो तो family में की भी खटास न रौंदी झगड़ा न थिंदा जो को लेखे लो है आई जो को लेखी वेंदा proper will करी वेंदा proper succession planning करी वेंदा तो अंजे family के who follows करे जो रौंदो. Estate planning ensures that physical, financial and online assets are passed on to your loved one. एंती इंजी खात्री है कि आई अगर estate planning किया है तो अंजा मरे अंजी पूरी estate है अंजी पूरी wealth है इसे अंजे loved one के ज मिलती. Estate planning can provide for an address to a family or a loved one with special needs. कोई के वधु जरूरत है family में हटे के जरूरत है हटे में ना है ही मरे भी आई balance करी सकता. Estate planning can also help to pass accolades, bestowals on you to a specific individual. आई कोई भी अंजो specific individual है अंजो family member भी ना है वो भी आई उनके estate planning थी आई की भी अंजी wealth share करी सकता. It helps the beneficiary to reduce tax outgoings on account of inheritance. मेरी के खबर है आई तो सीए आयो कि इंडिया में inheritance tax ना है तो ही भी एक benefit है. Now it's nominations. जो जिनको पढ़ाता है कि nominations ला करे वो वर्किंग न्यूज़ था एवर की अकॉर्डिंग पहला की यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ असम में बड़ा मसला चिंता हुआ कि nominations कई बार आगे की वो करने की जरूरत है ही बहुत रॉन्ग मिथ है એવી રીતે નહીં અને નોમિનેશન્સ નોમિની અને લીગલ હેર છે which में कायम प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का झगड़ा थी अगर नॉमिनी ने लीगल हेयर सेम ना हो तो अथवा जो फैमिली में 4 जना आई हेटे के नॉमिनी बनाया बट अलग लीगल हेयर आजा वारसदार વધારે आई तो ओनली नॉमिनेशन क्या अपन बिल में क्या आज नॉमिनी સાથે बड़े वारसदार के भी आज No property rights gets transferred to nominee or successor after owner's death. And जो आंसर है कि नॉमिनी के खाली स्टॉप गैप अरेंजमेंट. Nomination is a temporary arrangement so that the shares of this do not remain owners. I court procedure करो, government की formalities comply करो, I provide data or letter of administration देनो, ये कोई भी कुछ भी नहीं तो वो बड़े प्रोसीजर कंप्लीट थीला 6 months to 1 year भी लगे तो इन बिटवीन ही नॉमिनी जे नाले थी है ताकि वो ओनर केस न रहे वो प्रॉपर्टी अंजे टेम्पररी उनके ओनरशिप में रहे. The court states that nominees ensure a property title is protected until the legal heirs of deceased claim their rights. जितने भी अनेक whether it is movable properties or immovable properties बड़ी ठेकाने जजमेंट्स अच्छी भी आई कि वंस भले नॉमिनी जे नाले प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफर થઈ ગઈ है પણ जसुंदे लीगल हेयर्स उनके क्लेम नता कहिए नॉमिनी जसुंदे उन प्रॉपर्टी के प्रोटेक्ट कर दो सो एक्चुअली लीगल हेयर्स मरी के इन प्रॉपर्टी जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किंदो अगर नॉमिनेशन थेलो है तो generally this is a myth. Generally we take nominee as the owner of money assets after the death of primary owner. This is just myth. Nominee is a trustee and not the owner of the assets. In all, whether it is movable, whether it is immovable properties, nominee is a trustee, is a stopgap arrangement, and nominee will never become the owner of your assets. आंटी नॉमिनी ला करे है 2019 जो अमेंडमेंट आयो है महाराष्ट्र कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज एक्ट में होते एनी एकरो सारो प्रोविजनल मेंबरशिप क्या है यहाँ तो नॉमिनी के दे आर आइडेंटिफाइड एज प्रोविजनल मेंबर सो दैट जसुंदे लीगल हेयर्स मडे रेकॉर्ड्स ते नता आछे नॉमिनी विल रिमेन एज द प्रोविजनल मेंबर. नॉमिनी मे और मे नॉट बी द बेनिफिशियरी. So, Anji will ho ya estate planning ho whatever nominee is just temporary arrangement. Anji.
Sorry, Anju, आवाज है ना बहुत लो अच्छे तो अने थोड़ो ब्रेक किए तो.
Okay, I'll speak now. Am I audible now properly? Am I audible now? Hello.
थोड़ो ब्रेक किए तो.
Now, can you hear me?
Better.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ बरोबर है. Yes.
Okay. So nomination hence only a means and not an aim until succession issues are resolved. And particularly nominations ना करे कोई law ना. There are no general laws on nomination. ये litigation saving है सही कि आई nominations मरे properties में करी रखो. Nominations is a stopgap arrangements. Nominee don't become owner of the property. અને એટલો બહુ advisable है possible थी है होते आई joint ownership रखो तो थोड़ो joint owner के little bit पांचो यानी कि सही रहे कि ownership भी own वटे 50% की रही बंदी and remaining procedure like it will be easy for him to get the shares or at least 50% are secured to the joint owner. See, this is what I should know about my family, what my family should know about me. Actually he WhatsApp पे मड़ी ठेकाने बहुत फेरी रहो है मुझे पेंजी टेस्टामेंटरी प्रैक्टिस है तो अने आई अने एको LIC जो दाखलो गेनी गेनो you all are aware कि LIC जो unclaimed policies जो amount करो है, it is 1,000 crores, more than 10,000 crores. कि को थी तो को की घरवारे के ओरिजिनल पॉलिसी खबर नथी होय, पॉलिसी नंबर नथी खबर होय, details of the wealth proper मतलब papers नथा होय, details of the wealth is not mentioned or conveyed to the family member. So this is the chart. I'll read the chart. You all are aware आपके घर में बड़े वस्तु हैं, but आई इनके बड़े एक ठिकाने भेगो करीने रखो, इनके लॉकर में रखो, ताकि भगवान न करे इनके की थे. If anything happen to you, these all your asset detail will be useful to your family members. So wealth law what आंजे personal wealth law करे family के कोर खबर खपे. तो आंजा inherited rights करो, bank accounts, आंजा all bank accounts. Hello. Hello.
No, please continue. Please continue.
Yeah. Your bank accounts, whether they are savings, current, demat, jewelry, bank locker details, cash in hand, details of liabilities and recoveries also should be conveyed to your family members. You should pen down it. Details of immovable properties, chain of original title documents, share certificates, property card, and the 712 extracts. अंजा प्रॉपर्टीज जो ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स कितने रखे लाइन से भी कन्वे करो, वेदर दे आर इन लॉकर, अगर लोन के लाइन तो मॉर्गेज कई बैंक में रखे लाइन. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वन शुड नो द कस्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिनल टाइटल डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ देयर प्रॉपर्टीज. ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स में जो रेसिडेंशियल हाउस सचिव है, जो एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, ऑफिस प्रीमाइसेस है, इनके पर વધારે डिटेल कहियो कि व्हाट मोर वी शुड नो. Businesses ला करे, details of business entity essentials and your financial statements. And I लोगों तो CIO तो you will definitely aware of everything. But the पंजाब ज्ञातिजन जो को मने जोड़ाना है, उन्हें ला करे बहुत जरूरी है कि नेंडी माहिती आई जरूर थी एक ठिकाने मने लिखी रखो और गैदर करी रखो, एक फाइल में रखो, ताकि कभी भी की मिसअप थी है तो हिंदी पंजे फैमिली के तकलीफ न थी. Financial statements of business, government registrations under PAN, GST, TAN, TDS, and various business licenses. Business bank details, details of signatories. Most important, all your assets, this business related assets, business liabilities, ownership documents of business places. Most important nowadays, online passwords, login IDs. इनके पर વધારે easy क्या है? More detail has been mentioned here. What are these details? आके कोई चार्टर्ड बनाई गए जो है कि आके ही निंदी वस्तुएं पंजे घर में अंजे डेली लाइफ में आके जरूर पे इन बड़ी जी कॉपीज एक ठिकाने ओरिजिनल एक ठिकाने you must keep in one file. He actually succession planning, wills and nominations book કર્યો હોય અને he જ્યારે કે મુજે સેમિનાર્સ की હોય તો distribute so that more it will reach to everybody. This is the chart. You might be aware, but I'm just इनके go through कराया थी नेंडी चीजों हुई पण आई इनके जरूर एक ठिकाने गैदर करी रखो. સૌથી પહેલા છે આજી પર્સનલ વિલ, આજી સ્પાઉસ જી વિલ. इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. एवर जाऊँ के LIC जो दाखलो देने हो कि घणे बार इंश्योरेंस पर भरदा हो बट जार क्लेम करे जो टाइम होए बाकी उनका नंबर्स खबर न होए, पॉलिसी नंबर्स खबर न होए, ओरिजिनल पॉलिसी कितने रखे लिए सेल खबर न होए. सो आई जरूर थी इनके बराबर संभालीने रखो. आंजा मळे इन्वेस्टमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स, property records, birth certificate, marriage certificate, and the domicile certificates, important agreements, other important papers. Other documents like passport, driving license, credit cards, ATM cards, club membership, professional, other club memberships, vehicle details, इन्कम टॅक्स, आधार कार्ड म्हणजे आणि ही બહુ જરૂરી है રેડી રેફરન્સ લખેલા કરે અને ફેમિલી ડોક્ટર અને કોઈ સ્પેશિયાલિસ્ટ ડોક્ટર હોય, એડવોકેટ્સ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ, ચાર્ટર્ડ અકાઉન્ટન્ટ્સ એઝ વેલ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ, insurance agent, stock broker, tax consultant, GST consultant, keep this all ready. तो की भी तकलीफ थी बैंक अकाउंट्स आके खबर होनी खपे कि जो कोई भी डिसीज मेंबर थी गए हो जा अकाउंट्स केन बैंक में वहाँ फिक्स डिपॉजिट, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स, कंपनी डिपॉजिट्स, शेयर्स ला करे जो आने तो डीमैट अकाउंट अची हुए तो कदाचित फिजिकल ची जरूर ना, लॉकर्स, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड जो अकाउंट डिटेल्स, पर्सनल अकाउंट्स एटीएम डेबिट कार्ड्स डिटेल, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स डिटेल, इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज डिटेल, मेडिक्लेम मोस्ट इम्पोर्टंट इनला एक रिमाइंडर लखी रखो हम ऑल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज आई कायम बरदारो पण एकारे मिस करी वेनो तो आंजी पॉलिसी लैप्स थई वेनी थी, सो ऑलवेज पुट रिमाइंडर्स कि पंजी पॉलिसी नेक्स्ट टाइम पंटे केयर भरी जिए, फायर इंश्योरेंस, कोई व्हीकल इंश्योरेंस, all this insurance, then PAN card, passport, electricity details, gas pipeline, gas cylinder, empty nil जो पंजो consumer number करो है, कोर address है, driving license, ration cards, आधार cards, election ID बहुत important है, इन वगैरह voting करेगा घणी बार चौकी बनेगा, details of immovable property like flat, bungalow, house, shop, office, godown, land, income tax, GST details, and most important passwords. पण हमला करे एकरी आ मेडिकेयर वार्निंग है कि डिटेल्स भले आई भेगी करी केनो but keep this data secured in a locker or at a protected place. You should be careful that this data must not be used against you. અને જો એનથી કે નુકસાન ન થયે ખાલી અહીં ભેગો કરીને રાખો અને સિક્યોર્ડ પ્લેસ તે રાખો. Now most important, why will? will ना करे पाओ के will करे जी कोर जरूर है. The distribution of assets as per testator's own wish and not as per succession applicable. We assume कि all Hindus are here. So as per Hindu laws, law of succession, आई की कोई भी मेल पर्सन अगर डिसीज थे तो मड़ी की ना कि आओ वेंदो तो मुझे वाइफ के मड़े मिली वेंदी. This is wrong. If a male person deceased without making will, तो as per succession law, इन्हीं जी पूरी प्रॉपर्टी इन्हीं जा मदर, वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन में इक्वल पोर्शन में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट थी है. अंकी अवॉइड कहनो है कि ना मुके या ना कहनो मुके इनके देने जो है इनके ना देने जो, then you must make will. तो will એટલે ला जाए कि आई लॉ ऑफ सक्सेशन के अगेंस्ट वेनी अंजी इच्छा जे अनुसार you make the distribution of your property. That's why the will is required to avoid litigation. Further अंजे family में कोई litigation न थी है, हल्ला भी will जरूरी है. Suppose minor child है, कोई minor, to appoint guardian for his minor children to manage the affairs of his estate after his death. Minor child ला करे guardian appoint करी सको था will जे through. અને અંજે property जो कोई misuse न करे, to avoid misuse or waste of one's property after death, to avoid legal challenges. This is the reason why we should make a will. Importance of will. Composing will to ensure your control how your estate is distributed and helps in bypassing intervention of court with regards to deciding legal succession. सेम जो पहुंचो बाकी सक्सेशन हिंदू सक्सेशन लॉ प्रमाणे न वेले जो ने मुझे मर्जी जे हिसाबे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे जो है तो अंके विलज केडी खपती विल करे वगैरह अगर अंकी की થઈ ગયો तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विल बी एज पर सक्सेशन एक्ट. No estate is a minor for a will. Can be made even single asset such as bank account, single immovable property, FD, demat account, or even life insurance policy along with other investments. तो will care करे आवाजे कि मुझे की ना है मुझे कोर जरूर है मुझे will करता वटे किस नंदी में नंदी बैंक अकाउंट्स LIC जी पॉलिसी है, एखादी नंढी इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी है, डीमेट अकाउंट है, FD है, व्हाटएवर नंढी में नंढी थी आ वटे स्टेट आए तो आंके विल कहनी ज खपे. A will helps in steering clear of any disputes over wealth distribution in family and prolonged legal proceedings. And जब फैमिली में disputes ज न थींदा बाकी आई विल करीने वे आए विदाउट विल थिए तो कोई झगड़ा चालू थे वने विल में क्लियर लिखेलो होय तो दिस विल अवॉइड लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स एंड डिस्प्यूट्स इन द फैमिली. Through a will you retain the power of directing the dealings of your property post your death. ये अंजो अधिकार है कि अंजे अंजे कोई ही अंजे प्रॉपर्टी किनके मिले अगर ये बिल ना करो तो you lose this right. Now, who can make the will? Any adult of sound and disposing mind can make a will or testament for the assets owned by him. कोई भी adult जिनजो mind sound है ने उनवटे कोई भी estate है कोई भी मिलकत है तो हु पंहिंजी will बनाई सके तो. अने will केड़ी होनी खपे? Characteristic of will. The will has to be in writing. There is no fixed format of a making will. Will के आंके लिखनो ज खपे अने उनजो कोई fixed format ना. I will share the points. So I just mind कहिया. Signature strategy जो को भी पेन will बनाई था उनके sign केड़ी खपे अने उनके minimum 2 witness on signature के attest केनो खपे. So 2 attesting witnesses are compulsory in a will. Will can be made in a simple language, including the mother tongue of testator. Usual technical language is not compulsory. I Gujarati में handwritten भी will लिखी सको था. Compulsory ना है कि आंके English में बनानी है. It is your wish आंके क्या उन bill के बनाना है. पर जरूरी है उनके अंते आंजी उनके sign होनी खपे. वो witness होना खपे कि उन चाहिए सके कि ऐसा सामने आई will के sign किया है. जॉइंट विल जो भी हिकिड़ो ये है कि घणे ॼण जॉइंट विल करिए था हस्बैंड वाइफ जी जॉइंट विल can be made of 2 or more persons. However, said will come into force only after the death of all persons. These wills are made for tax purposes. Generally joint wills ला असी advocates ना छो बाकी बहुत जने जी joint will करेली है husband અને wife जी અને suppose husband गुजरी गया कोई हु वाइफ भी हो विल के चेंज नहीं करी सके नारो 5 वरे थिए 2 वरे थिए आंजा इक्वेशंस आंजा रिलेशंस कीप ऑन चेंजिंग योर नीड कीप ऑन चेंजिंग सो अंके अगर जॉइंट विल केनी है आई विल एडवाइज यू मेक हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ जी टू मिरर इमेजेस वो अलग विल बनाए जनरली पाया देखो कि हस्बैंड विल से I give everything to wife and after her my wife to my children. Wife che I bequeath everything to my husband and after my husband to my children. Generally this is the practice adopted but it's not mandatory. Will is absolutely your discretion. आंके जिनके दीनु है जिनके नाई दीनु है I जरूर थी वो follow करी सको था. एक बहुत important गाल अगर आंके कोई के नाई दीनु suppose आंजा बहुत छोकरा एक छोकरी है अने बहुत छोकरा सपोज डॉटर है ने को छोकरे के आके नहीं दिनो आके एक देनु है तो यू मस्ट राइट इन योर विल कि इंजे एजुकेशन ला इंजे विया ला आई हैव स्पेंड एंड नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू गिव एनीथिंग टू सो एंड सो फॉर दिस रीजन कि मुझे संभाल न तो रखे मुझे देखरेख न तो करे तो यू शुड राइट कि आके के नहीं देने जी अने को नहीं देने जी ये will challenge न थी એટલે બહુ જરૂરી है कि you take medical certificate certifying your mental soundness कि आंजो जंडी will करो ता हुंडी आंजो mentally sound. Even if we go for registration of will, the registrar insists just 48 hours old medical certificate, not older than that. So medical certificate एक mind soundness जे proof ला करे होनु जरूरी है. It is not necessary for attesting witness to know the content of will. Witnesses के बिल्कुल जरूर ना है कि will में कौन लिखेलो है खबर होनी खपे. He just has to see testator affix his sign at the foot of testamentary paper. मंजो એટલો જ કામ આય કે will કંદલ અસા સામે સહી किया अथवा वो चाहिए क्या हूँ सही किया हुआ है, बट जो को विटनेस है उन्हीं के कंपल्सरी विल बनाएंगे जे सामे साइन कई અને inheritance and distribution of property. Property can be bequeathed to the executor of the will. I executor appoint એવી રીતે જ કરે જો कि जनरली वो बेनिफिशियरी हो थर्ड पर्सन के करो तो अपॉइंट तो घणे बार प्रोबेट की हो तो वो लोग को टाइम नता करी सके. दे डोंट कोऑपरेट मेनी टाइम. we generally advise to make beneficiary only executor of will. ने आंजे will में executor appoint केनो is advisable, most advisable. A minor, lunatic or idiot can be a beneficiary under the will, but a guardian must be appointed to look after the estate until they are capable of dealing in themselves. If कोई भी minor है, कोई भी lunatic है, whatever, तो वो आंजे will में beneficiary केंके चौबाजे जिनकी आई आंजे मिलकर दिलता उनके beneficiary. वो beneficiary बनी सके तो, पर वो executor न बनी सके. અને હુમલા કરે આંકે एको गार्जियन अपॉइंट केनु कंपल्सरी है जो को वो जैसे दे कैपेबल नता थी गार्जियन विल टेक केयर ऑफ this person. No property can be bequeathed to attesting witnesses. Witnesses के आंके प्रॉपर्टी न देने जी इनमें विल चैलेंज थे. हिंदूज में घणे बार चेता कि witnesses beneficiaries can be witnesses, but it is very easy to challenge the will. So most advisable, the property should not be bequeathed to attesting witness. Witnesses family member के witness ना बनाए जो जिनकी आई की भी देने ला मंगो था ताने witness केंके बनाए जो तो असी advice कहियो witnesses should not be of old age क्योंकि घणे बार यह थी कि जो को will कंदल वो जीवतो होय ने witnesses गुजरी गया. Always advisable कि witnesses should be of young age. Second thing, witnesses जी इच्छा होनी खपे आंजे will की witness बनेला उनके पराने witness मो बनायो क्योंकि वो कोऑपरेट न करें तो प्रोबेट ला के की भी तभी आंजे फैमिली के तकलीफ थींदी. तो always see कि his willingness to become witness and keep witnesses and the family friends सही कि कोई भी होनी जी छोकरे के रखो और यूथ के रखो. One can make a conditional bequeath. Conditional bequeath એટલે मुझे वाइफ आई मुझे घर आए मुझे वाइफ जीवती है तेसुंदे हु अंजे नाले रोंदो अथवा हु उनमें रही सकती पोच छोकरा बेची सकता then 2 sons. This is all called conditional bequeath. અને residually here आई अंजी पूरी डिटेल विल पे लिखी सड़्या. हेलो અને કોઈ भी property રહી વેનેતી એટલે residuary here is a person to whom the testator has bequeathed his balanced property distributing other properties to various heirs. XYZ की आई property दई देने અને અંજે legal heir में A आए आई लिखो ताकि बाकी remaining property whichever I acquire in future or omitted in this will. Most important अंके line लिखे जिसके any property acquire in future or omitted to be given to whom. So he is called residuary heir. घणे बार बेनिफिशियरी जो को होय था से पहला गुजरी वेने था तो पांके लिखे जो कि I want to give to so and so, but if he predeceases तो हुंजे बदले हुंजे बाइडी छोकरें के अथवा केंके मिले ही पॉइंट्स भी आंजे विल में होणु खपे. In case of death of the heir before the testator, property bequeathed shall become residuary property unless the testator has made provision to bequeath the same to any other person. तो आंके ही प्रीडिसीज जो क्लॉज आंजे विल में जरूर लिखे जो ताकि घड़ी घड़ी आंके विल बदलाई जी जरूर न पे. if the residuary bequeath is bequeathed to more than one person, then if one of them dies before the testator, the said person's bequeath shall be distributed as per law of intestate succession. Suppose आइचा कि मु पोए मुझे छोकरे के मिलनी खपे ने भगवान न करे आती पहला अंजो छोकरो गुजरी गयो ने आई प्रोविजन ना लिखा विल में कि अगर मुझे छोकरे की थी तो मुझे ग्रैंडसन के मिले, मुझे डॉटर इन लॉ के मिले, तो पोए वो लॉ ऑफ सक्सेशन उनला अप्लाई थिंदो, मतलब उन्हीं जे ऑल फैमिली मेंबर के इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मदर के शेयर मिलतो लाइक दैट. So better to put this clause pre-decease varo clause. If the provision for residuary bequeath is not made in the will, then residuary properties shall be distributed as per law of intestate succession. And a signature in the will. The testator must sign a will in such a way that his intention in the will is clearly noted and in front of the attesting witnesses. सिग्नेचर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है आंके विल के नीचे विल पूरी लिखी गई एंड साइन करेला बोली वे तो विल जो की मतलब ना ताके सिग्नेचर करे जिए. 2 or more attesting witnesses must sign in presence of testator. मड़ी विटनेसेस के टेस्टाटर जे सामे એટલે વિલ બનાઈને જે સામે સાइन કેણી ખપે. एनी करेक्शन पा पूरो विल बनाई गेनो ने कि उनमें करेक्शंस आए अल्टरेशंस आए तो उन जे बाजू में हर ठिकाने टेस्टाटर के साइन केनु खपे. एनी करेक्शंस और अल्टरेशंस इन द विल मस्ट बी ऑथेंटिकेटेड by the testator by affixing his signature thereon. कोडिसील किंके चौवाजे कि आई विल बनाई गेल्या ने उनमें थी एखादी सपोज 4 प्रॉपर्टी है एक ही प्रॉपर्टी वेची सड़्या तो आके वो विल अमेंड करे जी है और फॉर एनी अदर रीजन कदाच आंजा कोई साथे रिलेशंस चेंज थई व्याई और वॉटएवर आंजो मन बदलाई व्यो है तो आंके पूरी विल चेंज करी जी जरूर ना हु एको पैरा और हु एक चीज आई बदली सकोता बाय वे ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिंग कोडिसील. Codicil means a document making the amendment to the will. Though codicil is a document, it is a part and parcel of the will. Codicil should be signed as per will only. એટલે codicil के भी sign करे जो attesting witness सब पे same procedure, खाली इन जो data will be limited. Methods of cancelling will. आई will बनाए गए ने हने आके उनके cancel करे जी है. So by making deed of revocation and signing the same as the signatory required will making a will. I उनके deed of revocation एको cancellation of will बनाई सको था. By making a will or codicil or any other document in nature of will. I जार भी will बनायो तो आंके must उनमें लिखनू खपे कि this is my last will and I am cancelling all my previous wills. By destroying the original will, however, intention of testator should be to cancel the will. Generally, I never will banayo, that is more advisable. Mistakes, common mistakes while making a will. Drafting the will incorrectly. He generally public ही भोलू करे बेटा એટલે आऊं इनके highlight करला मंगाती. Always have a professional to draft your will to avoid any minute mistakes. Possible होए तो professional वटाती अंजी will draft कराई जा. Not being specific and detailed. Generally घणे जना will के ना generalize बनाई सड़ी है. मुझे property मड़ी है नहीं की खपे, but core property है, कितने है, where are the details? तो इनमें manipulate करे जो exploit करे जो contest थे जा बहुत chances होए. So always better you make a specific and detailed will. You mention your properties in detail. Gifting assets during one's lifetime. ये कि बहु वड्डी mistake आऊं witness क्यों हुआ है कि अने आई चौंदा कि अने आऊं 60 जो थई व्यो 70 जो थई व्यो मोटे घणे प्रॉपर्टी है अने आऊं आई जस्ट आऊं जीवते मड़ी के पामे ही बहु है कि आऊं जीवते मड़ी के दिनला दई दिन दिया. So this is very wrong practice. आंके नहीं खबर कि आई कितला जीवे वारा आयो. You don't know what will be your need in future and the medical expenses, whatever. So we always advise, what 10 properties I charge gift, that is okay. But don't gift your 100% of assets during your lifetime. He be mistaken, not updating the will. I will do वरे वी वरे पहला बनाया અને પોય આંકે લગે તો કે થઈ ગયો બસ અને મુકે ઉનકે નેરી જી જરૂર નહીં. તો this is mistake because I properties વેચો, I properties નવી ગેનો और कोई સાથે અંજા relation change થીએ આંકે લગે તો કે પહેલા હેનકે દેનો, now I want to give to so and so. So you should keep on updating the will. Don't think your job is over once you have made the will. If there is any alteration in the status of either assets or heirs, you should draft another will to incorporate the changes to avoid legal disputes. Not appointing the right executor. He executor la karya pehla j gal kyo. One of the most common mistakes amongst those making a will is that the testator either appoints a person who is of same age group. Same age group जो पांके executor रखे जो ज नाय, અને someone who doesn't have the best interest to at heart. ਅਸੀਂ ઘણે વાર નેરે અહીંયા कि third person के executor बनायो था, तो હું કોઓપરેટ ન કહીએ, કોર્ટ में न अच्छे साइन न दिए, जार विल के प्रोबेट केनो है और लेटर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पाके नो, अगर एग्जीक्यूटर पाके हेल्प न करे, कोऑपरेट न करे तो ऑलवेज जस्ट चेक कि हु कैन बी योर राइट एग्जीक्यूटर. We always advise to make beneficiary only to executors. बहुत जना ही है jointly or severally joint, there can be more than one executor. Passing on assets to minor children. I minor children के नाले assets दे देना, but you fail to appoint legal guardian. This is the most biggest mistake you will be doing. Not planning for disability or terminal illness. Will करे ताने आंके आंजी health ला करे कि KPI, you have to mention के what should be done if your health is not good, helmethi ketla use kari sako, like that. Anyway, will be come in picture only after your death. અને ये chart है. अगर कोई भी, if one person demise, तो ये क्यों follow थी है? If he demise without will, तो उनके intestate चावाज है. तो उन जो एग्जीक्यूटर अपॉइंट न करेलो होए और एग्जीक्यूटर कंप्लाई न तो करे टू execute the will or to do the probate, in case में you have to go for letter of administration. That is called appointment of an administrator or grant of letters of administration by the competent authorities. Suppose if there is a will, the executor appointed under the will who probate ला करे competent authority में application करे. Now, when a person dies, suppose a person dies without making a valid will, वो अगर हिंदू है, जैन है, सिख है, बुद्धिस्ट है, तो उनके हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट लगे. क्रिश्चियंस, पारसी और जीव है तो इंडियन सक्सेशन एक्ट लगे, applicable थिए, અને મુસ્લિમ है तो मुस्लिम लॉ applicable थिए. बट पांके हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट, एज आई से, हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट में पांके सपोज मेल मेंबर आए तो उन्हीं जे मदर के भी स्टेट जो शेयर वेने, वाइफ के भी मेले, चिल्ड्रन के भी वेने. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू फॉलो दिस हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट, देन यू हैव टू डू अ विल. अगर विल क्या है, आफ्टर मेकिंग अ वैलिड विल, हिंदू, जैन, सिख, बुद्धिस्ट, क्रिश्चियंस, पारसी, ज्यू मडी की इंडियन सक्सेशन एक्ट एप्लीकेबल थी है, અને મુસ્લિમ કે મુસ્લિમ્સ લॉ એપ્લિકેબલ થઈએ. અને am I too young to make a will? As I said कि ही बिल्कुल अंजे मन में ना आयो खपे कि હું બહુ નંઢી અહીંયા કે નંઢો અહીંયા, મુકે will जी जरूरत नहीं. I have witnessed 28 years जो एको छोकरो अचीने एग्रीमेंट के અને વાશી બ્રિજ રજીસ્ટ્રેશન કરીને વાશી બ્રિજ તે વ્યો ને એક્સિડન્ટ में इनकी डेथ થઈ ગઈ. So there are uncertainties of life. Death is certain. So once you have any wealth, you should make a will. Mishaps can happen at any age. बिफोर ही पा क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड ते वेना एक विल ला करे हम सिंपल पाछो एकार समझाया थे कि आंके अंजी विल क्या बनाई जी विल ला करे स्टार्टिंग में आंके अंजो नालो लखे जो पूरो नालो कि आई एम मिस्टर सो एंड सो अंजो एड्रेस लिखे जो सपोज अंजो परमानेंट एड्रेस बे किते आए नहीं है वो टेम्पररीली बे ठिकाने वे आने त्यार अंजो विल बनाई जो मन थियो तो अंके विल में लिखे जो परमानेंट एड्रेस ही है लोकल एड्रेस ही है एंड अंजो you should be adult that should be mentioned वो अंके first step करे जी you have to appoint executor in your will first step अंजे will में हुनु खपे appointment of executor second thing आई अंजे family members जा नाला उनमें लिखो family members means kin family husband wife and children अगर सन में थी कोई डिसीज है तो widowed daughter in law is okay but generally only the kin relatives you should mention after that आई अंजी पूरी प्रॉपर्टी जी डिटेल लिखो हाँ वटे मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी करो है हाँ वटे इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी करो है you mention all then you write अंके केंके कोर देने जो है you write the bequeath every property जे सामने आई लिखो the distribution how you want to distribute this wealth particular wealth अंके जरूर लेके जो है कि this is your last will અને એનથી પહેલા બનેલી મળે will I cancel કરો તો this point must be mentioned as I told earlier you must mention any property acquired in future or you omitted you just forgot to mention it should be given to whom and जब बेनिफिशियरी प्री डिसीज थी है तो उनके नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ला भी आंके लिखी सडे जो सो घड़ी घड़ी की अगर ही प्री डिसीज थी है तो टू whom you want to give this property you should mention that एंड में आंके लिखे जो है कि आई विल विदाउट कोएर्शन कोई जे जबरदस्ती वगैरह आई साइन करो था साथे आंके साइन करे जी केते भी छेकछाक होए मिस्टेक होए करेक्शन होए तो आंके काउंटर साइन करे जी एंड में टू विटनेसेस अंके विटनेसेस जब भी नाला पूरा होना खपे एड्रेस कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स एंड विटनेस शुड साइन डॉक्टर्स जो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ योर दिस थिंग ऑफ योर फैमिली फिजिशियन घणे सीरियस होए तो न्यूरो फिजिशियन वगैरह जब भी गिनना खपे कि हिज मेंटली साउंड सो दीज आर द स्पेसिमेंस के आंके हेड़ी रीते विल बनाई नहीं खपे होप अजे मुझे सेशन थी आई विल से एटलीस्ट 10% of you make a will in this lockdown I will say my session is successful please believe पामड़े खाली आज कई बो सवारे कई बो विचार कहीं रही वेनो था and घणे जना hardly I will see 10% or 20% is the ratio who are making their succession planning or wills rest all are thinking I will do and they don't do so request to all कि आई जरूर थी लॉकडाउन जो बेनिफिट गेंदा अंजी मडे वेल्थ जो आई डिटेल नोट डाउन कइंदा एंड यू विल मेक अ विल थैंक यू वेरी मच नाउ वी कैन गो अहेड विद द क्वेश्चन आंसर
यस मैम
Hello?
विल के रजिस्टर करने जरूरी है
no it is not absolutely not necessary to register a will but only thing घणे बार कोर थी है कि ओरिजिनल विल खोवाई वही है तो रजिस्टर वटे एकड़ी ऑलवेज स्कैन कॉपी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी पांके मिली वेने इफ वी डोंट नो द लोकेशन ऑफ ओरिजिनल विल then you can get the legal heirs can get the certified copies from the register plus एको थोड़ा सिग्नेचर जो ऑथेंटिसिटी थी है कि रजिस्टर उनकी आइडेंटिटी चेक करीने ज उनके रजिस्टर करे सो इट इज जस्ट बेनिफिट नॉट मैंडेटरी
मैम थोड़ा क्वेश्चन भी है बे पार्टिसिपेंट थी
थैंक यू मैडम
या
बे पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी क्वेश्चन से यहाँ रीड आउट करा दो
Yeah, please.
Can a will be made for Pagadi properties?
Can I meet? Hello?
Can a will be made for
No,
Pagadi?
no. Absolutely no. See, tenancy rights are the rights. You are not owner of that property. I खाली mention करी दियो कि आंगिया इनमें right है. ने suppose रीडेवलपमेंट में वेने ने आंके उनमें थी कि ओनरशिप बेनिफिट्स थिए और फ्यूचर में लॉ चेंज थिए અને હું રાઇટ્સ કે અલાઉ કહીએ વિકૃત કરેલા then only it is possible. So you should just ifs and buts કરીને mention કરો. It is not foolproof. You are just tenant. The owner is the landlord. You are not the owner.
Correct, ma'am. Next question is more of a scenario. आगे वाचना दो. Can a will be made by husband and wife and the property be devolved to the beneficiary after the death of both of them?
Yes.
On
Nah,
death of the
generally, please.
sorry, थोड़ा लंबा question है. On death of the
हाँ,
first,
बोलो.
the entire wealth of the deceased shall be bequeathed to the
Hello?
surviving spouse. And after the death of the surviving spouse, the entire wealth shall be bequeathed to the children or grandchildren. Is there a problem in registering will with the registrar as the couple wants it to be registered?
No, joint will, I said, no, it is okay. You can execute joint will. You can execute. But generally what happened, will may be mentioned ki first to spouse, then to children, but many times joint will may not be come into effect unless both are deceased. So we advise not to make joint will.
बरोबर. Next question is, what if any witness or both witness passes away before the death of testator?
हाँ, तो ये भी बहुत सारो क्वेश्चन है. You have to prove કે he witnesses boy ઘણી વાર ये थी कि witnesses जो where abouts खबर न હોય अथवा witnesses cooperate न कहिए, witnesses अच्छे न पाके proceeding help करला करे, तो अगर genuine reason if you convince the court, it is okay. But you have to give the evidences. Court will satisfy themselves कि ना this is right, then it is okay.
Next question is, can witness signer of will and codicil be different?
Yeah, sure, absolutely no problem. There can be two different witnesses because will करे ताने आई different place ते हो, different जहाँ साथे witness होए, codicil ताने different हो, absolutely okay.
Next question is, what are the rights of daughters on father's assets after marriage?
Absolutely, it is equal rights now. There are so many judgments. How and women's legal rights they भी आज subject ने पंजो session गना थी અને daughters के equal rights ही घणे judgment achieve है recent 2018 में भी आया है. So whether married or unmarried, daughters have equal right in father's assets.
Next question is it mandatory to obtain probate in entire India?
No. See, probate is mandatory in state of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. So it depends on the local laws, what they allows, what local law says. In Mumbai, it is mandatory. In West Bengal, it is mandatory. Tamil Nadu, they ask probate, but may not be required in Gujarat. So it depends to local laws.
How to cancel registered will?
You have to just go to register and make a cancellation of will. It can be cancelled.
Okay. Basically, the question is whether it is better to create a trust or an HUF through will for the assets.
See, you can create HUF today. That is not the subject, but even family trust can be or testamentary trust can be created by way of will. That is all possible.
Okay. Next question is, a will is made and includes 4 assets. After that, one asset is sold, but a subsequent will is not made. Then what are the consequences?
That's why I say you have to update the will. Anyway, what are left over, if you are not updated, but whatever properties are left, it will be bequeathed accordingly, whatever left. That's why it is advisable to keep on updating your will.
Next question is, do we mention the complete list of bullion item wise, or can I just mention gold? Or
No. Yes. See, it is individual's choice. Many. I have seen the people have given the picture also. They mention the solitaire जो कैरेट કેટલો હોય અને એનમાં gold કેટલો હોય. It is individual's choice. It is, I will say, ઘણીવાર if you have enough, you want to write specific, or you can just write, I have 1000 gram and 100 gram. I want to give this 200 gram this. It is individual's choice. Detail, many people does, many say no need. It's individual's choice.
both options are available.
Yes.
Next question is whether conditional gift is better option than will.
No. I will say will is always better. Conditional will, now Supreme Court judgment is there for conditional gifting. But to revoke that gift, suppose I gift દઈ દેને આજે છોકરે કે અને condition રાખ્યા કે મુકે ઘર में રહેલા દીન દો. But હું નતો રહેલા દેવું અંકે ઘર મેંથી કઢે તો cancel કરેલા કરે અંકે litigation time maybe 6 months. તો 6 મહિને में તો અંજે કેટલી તકલીફ થઈ વેને. So we always advise, don't go for gift and go for will only.
Next question is how much is the approximate cost of registering a will? Whether any stamp duty is payable or not.
No stamp duty. It's on plain paper. For will, no stamp paper required. Just plain paper से भी I will बनाई सको था. US में तो कोई coffee shop में वही tissue से भी will बनाए ना, that was honored. So plain paper will, and cost is minimum cost. Whatever register takes, hardly 2,000-3,000 registration cost, but whatever professional fees, it's very cheap. Drafting plus whatever registration expense is just hardly anything. Registration fees just 100 rupees, just 100 rupees, and they charge
Next question
20
is
rupees of the
which
page.
to the
100 rupees registration fees, just 100. I advise to register the will, because authenticity of signature is also we can get the evidence ke register ke samne sign kiya, and again you can get the certified copies. If you don't know whether your father has kept the original will, you can always ask for the certified copies from the register. You can take search whether my father has made any will at registrar's office. So advisable to register will always.
Do married granddaughters have rights to a will?
Hello?
Next
Hello?
question is do married granddaughters?
Yes, of course. Granddaughters, they come in second. If the mother is mother or father, means son or daughter is pre-deceased or deceased, then only they get the right. But it is will is your wish, no? It is not the succession act. So it's your wish, to whom you want to give.
Correct.
You can bypass anybody. Even many places you don't give anything to your family and you give to your servant who is taking care of you. एकरी गाल आऊं चेला बोली वहाँ जर पर will जी गाल क्या, while executing will, now we have mobiles in our hand, better to take a video અને उनके read कर लो चा पेंडज will के, तो वो एको very good evidence रौन दो कि ना टेस्टाटर बराबर पेंडज will बनाया है अगर वो will challenge थी था. So video is advisable. Taking video is advisable while writing or signing will.
In fact, next question Panjo हुज है, if we make a video of preparation of will along with witness, can it be registered?
Well, no, video register nothing hai. Only that is the extra evidence you have. Will can be registered. Will can be registered. You can take a video at register office also. And whenever अगर रजिस्ट्रार के मतलब विजिट केनु खपे तो हमें तो वीडियो कंपलसरी है, बिकॉज हॉस्पिटल्स में ने वी डू टेक रजिस्ट्रार्स टू द हॉस्पिटल्स व्हेन द पर्सन is on the last breath and all. That time register office also take the video for their precaution कि if somebody says कि you have done wrong registration. So nowadays video is always advisable.
Next question is whether unregistered will hold good in the courts.
Yes. Narrow I first will register किया, next will बनाया, न who unregister है, that is fair enough.
आंजो वॉइस करती है तो मैम मैम ऑडिबल नहीं वॉइस वॉइस ऑडिबल नहीं आंजो वॉइस ऑडिबल नहीं
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. All wills,
हाँ.
whether registered, whether just executed with 2 witnesses, or whether notarized, all are equally good in the eyes of courts. Only thing, if it is registered, register can give the evidences of authenticity of the signature. Notary can say in front of me, that will be an additional evidence if the will is challenged. But all wills are equal, whether registered, unregistered, or just signed or just notarized. No, it's all okay.
Okay. 1 second. Yes, Meenal ma'am. Next question is basically a question where should the original be will be kept? Should be kept ideally.
हाँ ना जनरली असी एडवाइस कहीं होणार एडवोकेट्स वटे भी विल रखी है अर्लियर देयर व्हेन ये ऑनलाइन ने मने डिजिटलाइजेशन न हो तो रजिस्टर वटे भी सील में रखदा वा एडवोकेट्स वटे बट वी ऑलवेज एडवाइस कि आई आ वटे ज रखो आई लॉकर में रखो कॉपी आई घर में रखो इट्स ऑल वेरेवर यू वांट टू विश टू कीप आई एंड फ्रेंड वटे रखो advocates chartered accountants any to anybody you have belief you have trust you can keep.
Okay. So next question is what is the process so that the beneficiary will get the assets registered in their names after the will?
I say, see, if person, if will is there and person demise, then the beneficiary should request executor to proceed for obtaining probate. And there is a procedure you have to pay court fee. Court fee in Mumbai is actually 3%, but maximum is 75,000. So you have to pay court fee. You have to file petition for probate of the will through executor. If executor does not cooperate na kahi hai, so then same will and letter of administration je via through be you can file a petition. Miss beneficiary directly can file petition to the court to get the authorization of the will.
Few more questions. What if only my signature is there along with the will and no witness signature is there?
No, without witness there is will has no value. It is void. It is not valid will. It is compulsory, mandatory to have minimum 2 witnesses.
Next question is, if probate is not obtained, then how one can prove that it is the 1 second. If probate is not obtained, then how one can prove that it is will that has to be executed?
See, if probate is not obtained, that's what I said, you can go for LOA, letter of administration. And if it is not challenged, suppose in Gujarat it is not challenged, you just follow and do whatever mentioned in the will. You give the copy of will to the authority, and the executor should by deed of transfer should transfer the property in your name. If he is not doing, you can directly contact the authorities. They will help you by complying the procedure.
Next question is a scenario where there are dispute between brothers to execute father's or mother's will. Then how it will be executed? Will be executed.
1 minute. 1 second. How and where to execute? How and where to execute will? There's dispute. You can go to your friend's place. I bake at the halaveno and hote I sign karo and execute में थी कोई के court में वेन्यू ज कब तो family member के, unless somebody is challenged dispute है तो you need to go to court, and then court will take all cognizance of the validity of will and will pass the necessary order.
So In earlier question, we had said कि how beneficiary will get the assets. Actually, the question was in case there is no will, how they will get the
And the
beneficiary.
लेटर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट है, हेयरशिप सर्टिफिकेट थाना में थी है, यू हैव टू फाइल पिटीशन. सी एनीवे कोई भी डिसीज थी है गुजरी वेने तो विदाउट कोर्ट legal heirs cannot be come on record, at least in I said Maharashtra, and જ્યાં ગુજરાત અહીં વારસાઈ નોંધી ગયેનો so then mamlatdar or anybody will do the needful by if you all give notarized affidavits and all and details and IDs, then it can be done. You have to contact the authorities, and mostly you have to file petition for succession certificate or letter of administration in the court.
Next question is for unmarried lady, who all will be considered as legal heir?
Her parents first, and then brothers, sisters.
Okay. Who is a competent authority to register wills, etc.?
Sub-register of everywhere registers are there.
Okay. Next question is, can a registered will be challenged?
Yes. Any will can be challenged.
Okay.
So it should be minute to minute care should be taken so that you can win in that challenge or in that battle.
And if will is found to be void or voidable, then?
No, if then your law of your Hindu law or whatever, which law that particular personal law will applicable. If you find will is void.
Okay. Next is an interesting question, according to me. Who will be a legal heir if the person is all alone without any relatives or anybody?
Government of India. Government of India. If there is class 1, class 2, agnates, cognates, nobody is there, then it is Government of India.
Okay. These are the questions which are written on the chat box. If any person wants to ask the question directly, he can unmute his mic and he can ask the question.
Charvik, can I ask? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a couple of questions for you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure, I'll proceed. What happens if the executor predeceases the testator?
Then beneficiary has to file LOI, letter of administration instead of probate.
Okay, and then the procedure follows.
Same. Instead of probate, it is letter of administration.
Okay.
एकड़ी गाल है, whenever executor भी न कहिए, beneficiary न कहिए, but creditor होए ना तो creditor भी वेनी ने LOA पेंजी credit वसूल करला करी सके तो, LOA file करी सके तो. Yes.
Okay. And one more question: is it good and fair to have your family doctor as a witness?
Advisable. It's okay, but then he need to. If he's busy and he don't cooperate, he does not have time to come to court and to comply with legal formalities. Advisable to take separate medical certificates mentioning he has checked and mentally sound. But witnesses should be freely accessible to you, and they should be enough cooperative. Just not the doctor who is quite busy and will not be able to cooperate post death.
Minalben, one problem that arose, one issue that arose in course of our practice was a couple of our clients, while drafting a will, advised that a CA needs to be as a witness. What is my stand in that?
ना करे जी. अंके एटली फुर्सत कहते हैं, where do you have time कि अगर उन जो litigation की थी the number of times you need to visit court. If you don't visit, court will summon you. So I never witness. I never stand witness for any of will as advocate also.
Perfect. Very nice.
ना उन्हीं जे गालिये में ना अचे जो बहु मिठा बोलता भा आई जायो आई करी के नो बिल्कुल don't come in there the sweet talk. You don't remain. You can do your professional work, but don't remain witness.
Yeah, you're right. It's a sugar-coated talk.
Yes, bilkul, don't, never. I thought directly say we do not have practice to remain witness. We don't have time to visit courts. So no.
Okay. The last question: in the COVID atmosphere, would you throw some light on preparation of the will in the COVID lockdown period?
I bilkul banai sako tha, but boy and me witnesses will be challenged. Your neighbors can be witness. Neighbors भी आई साइन करो 6 फूट ते लम्बा उभा रहो पर विटनेस अच्छी ने साइन करे जनरली पंजा नेबर्स साथे सारा रिलेशन होए घणे जना सर्वेंट्स के भी कहिए था बट बोय फ्यूचर में ये लोग को कोऑपरेट कइंदा अंके से यू हैव टू थिंक okay see wills witnesses जो important post demise વધારે હોય तो अगर अंजन नेबर्स के सारा रिलेशन ही you can definitely make a will. I will say at least I data ready કરી કેનો અને લોકડાઉન જો એકો ઈ important કામ કરો કે will I અંજી will બનાયો or you start doing your succession planning estate plan.
સરસ. Thank you once again because બત્રે મેસેજીસ અચી વે ઈ કહેતા કે કચ્છી में કેતરો સરસ બોલ્યા અસા મળી કે બહુ મજા આવી है some of the audience other than professionals.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. Actually मुके 3-4 मैसेज सवार थी आया मिनल बेन आई कोर में बोलता हूँ जो मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन तो इंग्लिश में आए but I will definitely try to speak in Kutchi so that I can connect with the community people as possible. Thank you very much. I will say thank you Ghanshyam bhai, thank you KDO CA Association for giving me opportunity to share my knowledge before you and with the community and all the audience for listening to me. Thank you. My pleasure.
Meenal Ben, Charvik, can I just have one question?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, Meenal Ben, I just want to know whether a beneficiary can also be the executor.
Yes, of course. Always advisable. I already told. Always advisable.
Okay.
You puro efforts gendo. Penji will he panja will ke probate grant कराए में.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, participants
Okay.
are
I have one question, if you don't.
Yes, Shinendra bhai.
Is a subsequent unregistered will valid over a
Yes,
registered will?
Of course, it's valid. Of course, whichever is last will, it is valid.
Okay, so just the registration doesn't make any difference.
That is only the evidence for authenticity. That's it.
All right, thank you.
I think we had a good set of questions today. We will stop the question answer round. If at all anybody has a question, I think they can contact Meenal Ben directly. She will be more than happy to answer the questions. I think.
Yeah. Anytime, most welcome.
I would now request Divya Mumaya to give a heartily vote of thanks to our today's speaker, Meenal Ben.
One thing before.
Yes,
Vinod Shah has some question and he says his question is unanswered. Vinod Shah. Message to us. Acha, private, I will answer him. Okay. I will talk to him later. No issue.
Yes. On behalf of KDO-CA Association, I, CS Divya Mumaya, thank you, Meenal Ben, for such a wonderful and interactive session on succession planning, wills and nomination. We in day-to-day life really believe in creating wealth, but how to protect that and how to make it available for the next generations is where you have put in a lot of great insights, and thank you so much on behalf of each and every committee member of KDO-CA Association and entire KDO-CA Association. Thank you so much for the wonderful insights, and I also thank Charvik for arranging this entire webinar series, the entire committee members of KDO-CA Association. And last but not the least, I also thank all the participants here today for being present in this webinar series of KDO-CA Association. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just before signing off, I would request participants.
Thank you.
Sorry, Divya. We are keeping a webinar on next Wednesday. It is a very interesting webinar. It is related to security of our offices and home during COVID times and work from home environment. It will be taken by Dedia, and it will be very helpful to all the professionals as well as businessmen. So we will be sharing the details, and do join us there also. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
photos of yours
Thank
also.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.